Now that we have the basic layout of resumes and how they're put together, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about what recruiters look for specifically in resumes. Now, using the same resume template that we used in the other video, recruiters are generally never reading your resume in its entirety. Typically, on average, a recruiter will spend about 30 seconds looking at your resume, so they don't have time to read every word. Well, what they do is they scan for keywords. Now, these keywords that they're looking for are typically found in their company's job descriptions for that specific job. So you're going to want to get yourself a copy of the company job description, and you're going to want to go through that job description and pull out what you think the recruiter might be looking for. Now, in your skills section especially, this is going to be a great place to customize your resume to that job specifically, because in job descriptions they're going to highlight the skills that are required for that job. You want to go through the job description, identify if you have those particular skills, and put those in your resume. So these become very job-specific skills, and they're going to stand out to a recruiter. Also, under your experience, when you list your job duties, you're going to want to write these in such a way that a recruiter can see the connection between what you did at that company and how it can apply to the job and the company that you're applying for. Again, using the job description to help you write those job duties. Again, same thing with your certifications and awards. You're going to want to highlight awards and certifications you've received that you think would be most applicable to the job you're applying for. Now, one of the other things that you're going to want to keep in mind is that recruiters, they are looking for this information very quickly, in 30 seconds on average. So when you put your resume together, you're going to want to make sure that it has a nice flow and that the information is, very easy to find and to read. Some other things that recruiters are looking for is they're looking for consistency. Okay, so if you write your dates this way, for example, and then down here you write your date in a different format using, say, just numbers instead of abbreviating the month, a recruiter is going to notice that. They're going to notice that, wait, that's different from how it was written up here, and that's not going to reflect very well on you. Also, something you're going to want to keep in mind is spelling and grammar. Recruiters want to hire people that know how to spell and form a sentence. So be sure that you proofread your resume and have others proofread it for grammar and spelling errors. Also, something that they like to see is alignment. Make sure that everything lines up. Okay? So all these bullet points, they all line up. If you've got one bullet point that's over here and you've got another one that's back here, that's not going to reflect very well on you. So you want to make sure that it's consistent, has a nice flow to it, it's easy to find the information in, you have good spelling and grammar, you have good alignment, making sure that it just looks very clean.